The Aji Amarillo pepper from Peru is wonderful. It's grown down there in South America. It's in almost every Peruvian dish. It's a fruity, full-flavored pepper with a real bite to it, perfect for cuisines. And it's really hard to find it outside of South America. In fact, I can't find it at all here in North America. Thank God you can find it in puree form. And you can cook with this pepper and make your dish taste like it came from Peru. You just can't replace that pepper, but you can get the actual pepper. 1.5 teaspoons of this puree equals 1 ají amarillo pepper. Now I can make a lot of dishes from Peru and they will taste like Peru. In fact, I smell Peru when I open this up. It's wonderful. The national dish of Peru is lomo saltado. It's a stir fry. It's actually called chifa. It's a combination of Chinese food and Peruvian food. And it uses ají amarillo, and it just does not taste the same without it. It was also used in huancaína sauce, which is a creamy, savory sauce used in many different dishes, including one that we made with shrimp and pisco, and it was served over spaghetti, and absolutely delicious. If you want to make true, authentic Peruvian dishes, I highly recommend this puree of ají amarillo sauce.